Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily transfer your message from voice to message to text form. So how you can do it? You just need to install Telegram, and in Telegram you need to write Voicey. Here you can see the second one, and just open this bot and it will tell you what can this bot do. Auto translate speech to text. So just click on start. So here you can see different options. You need to choose the language. For example, we want to choose English text, so we will choose it and just click on copy. Now just paste here it and just click enter. So you need to wait some time after it will reply to your text, and with this bot you can easily transfer your audio to text format. So this is how it works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.